Hi everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can pin a comment on your Facebook post. So first, just head over and click your account, then proceed to settings and privacy, then click on settings. And in this section, just scroll down for a little bit until you can see followers and public content. And from here, you should be able to see show most relevant comments first. Just make sure that you turn on this setting, and from there you should be able to see and manage the comments that you want to appear first on your Facebook post. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily pin comments on your Facebook posts. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!